Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the console down and unplugging it. This prevents damage while you work. Next, move the Xbox to a hard, flat surface with at least 6 to 12 centimeters of clearance around every vent. Once positioned, remove any soft surfaces, blankets, or closed cabinets that trap heat. Make sure the room is cool and ventilated. A fan in the room helps circulation. These steps reduce immediate heat buildup and let you safely continue with deeper cleaning and checks. Now focus on the vents and airflow. Use compressed air in 2 to 3 short bursts from about 20 centimeters away. This dislodges dust without spinning the fan too fast. Follow with a soft brush to clear remaining debris, but do not open the sealed chassis because that voids warranty. Once cleaned, check the fan noise by running the console briefly. Loud grinding means service. Make sure software is up to date and background apps are closed, so the system isn't working harder than necessary. Finish by testing under load. Play a typical game for 20-30 minutes while watching for heat and fan behavior. If temps climb rapidly, shorten sessions and improve room ventilation. Also avoid charging controllers from the console. That adds heat. If the problem continues, fully power cycle the Xbox, test offline to rule out software-related load, and listen for abnormal fan noise. If overheating still happens after these steps, contact Microsoft support or an authorized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.